Hello everyone. My name is Christian Oswald Vallaquino. I am from the district of Guariaca, Pasco. I currently work as a consultant and on construction projects for a private company. My description is as follows. I am 31 years old, tall, and friendly. My favorite color is black. I enjoy the unique and B methodology, which I am currently specializing in. This is my family. My father is a construction worker. He is hardworking and responsible. My mother is a homemaker. She is kind and intelligent. Where is my family from? They are from Guariaca, Pasco. What is my job? I am a project technical assistant. This is my wife, Mayra. She's my life partner. Mayra is from Guariaca. She's 24 years old. She's short, cheerful, and intelligent. She studies and works. We have daughter. What's her name? It's Cataleya. Where was she born? She was born in Huánuco. How old is she? She's currently 5 years old. This is my brother, Omar. He's part of my family. He's a Severin student at Sensico. He's athletic and fun. He's the youngest of all the siblings. My brother loves to cook. What's his hobby? He likes basketball. How old is he? He's 22 years old. That is my and my people. Thank you for listening.